Hi guys, today is part 2 and day 3 for the vase, but not a vase. I just woke up like a minute ago. Some of my voice sounds a little different. But as you can see, we're filming good now. It's 49% done. And it's actually looking really good. What filament do we have next, you guys might ask? Well, the color translate. We're going to go to blue, dark blue, and then we're going to go to green. See, this one hasn't had green on it yet. Let's say. It's looking really good. Has 49 minutes on it, and I'm playing on the Ender 3v3. And yeah, as you can see, I put a little Marvin up here, and I have a little flip fan right here because this model has been helping with the bed sticking, and yeah, and a little bit. I only have a little bit time left. I'll update you guys tomorrow. So, bye!